Oh, that, don't, why,
What? What? Are you done? Are you trying to shoot it again?
I just started the video, that's why. Yeah, because I'm videotaping you while you're videotaping the moon. I think that's fantastic.
It's pulsating, guys. It's pulsating.
I know, I'm a genius. I know that. Don't kill me because I'm so smart.
That's why it's a supermoon.
Wow.
Supermoon coverage.
Something.
That's the autofocus doing stuff.
It's so cool.
Is it? It's like throbbing. It's like a throbbing supermoon.
So that's because you're moving.
Yeah, I know. Well, those are involuntary movements. My arms cannot stay up like this forever.
How does it feel?
I don't know.
Okay, well,
I'm an old man, and my arms get tired.
Carrying the camera.
I'm an old man, and my arms get tired.
We're going to take a picture of Rich.
Yeah. So this is like a collab video.
We're going to take a picture of Rich taking a picture of me.
Go to Maria's channel to see what the video turned out like. And we'll talk to you guys again soon. Love, peace, and chicken grease. Bye now.
Uh-oh, there's a kitty. Bye, Moon.